Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. I'm going to show you backup camera installed on a Ford F-150 2016. So first we've drilled our camera in here in the rear handle, so it looks nice and clean, has a nice angle towards the bottom. And we've used a replacement mirror, so we replaced the factory mirror with a new 7-inch mirror that will have a full screen. So standard, the mirror looks regularly. Can't see any difference, very clean, very bright. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you're gonna have the camera showing on the mirror, 7-inch. Now this mirror actually has 4 video inputs, so you can do front camera, side cameras, to work from the signals or with a switch, depends on whichever way you want to have it. For backup cameras and other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.